Right everyone, what I'm doing is I'm just making the pockets for the back of the door. So all I've done is turned over the end about just short of an inch, and I'm doing that both ends, and then I'll be doing the top and bottom section. Some of them don't need doing, so just bear with me while I do this. And then I've marked off where the bottles will sit inside the pockets. But when you start off with sewing, you should always put your needle inside the fabric. Turn the needle down into the fabric, otherwise you end up with it all over and it can knot. Do a couple of stitches, then back stitch and go forwards again. Then take your fabric down to the end. Do be careful you don't run yourself over. And if you see, I'm going to the edge, back stitch and back again. And then lift your needle up to take it out. That stops any knotting.